Walang duda na ang arroz caldo is one of the best Filipino comfort foods. But once you've tried this chicken congee with vegetables, you'll agree na this is the best lugaw recipe ever. Natutunan ko ito sa isa sa mga food bloggers na sinusundan ko, and it quickly became a favorite for many reasons. Napakamalasa na, napakamasustansya pa. It's hearty and healthy with loads of fresh veggies. I used zucchini, carrots, baby bell mushrooms, and cabbage. But you can also use corn, shiitake mushrooms, green peas, spinach, or bok choy. Para mas mapadali at mapabilis ang pagluluto, gamit tayo ng rotisserie chicken at day-old cooked rice. Debone ang roasted chicken at i-flake ang meat. Hindi na kailangan maggisa ng aromatics dito, kaya menos extra fat. Ilagay ang chicken bones sa large pot along with ginger and garlic. Add 3 cups of cooked rice at isama na rin ang juices from the chicken for extra flavor. Magbuhos ng about 6 cups of water and break the rice apart with a spoon. Add Maggi chicken cubes to enhance the meaty flavor and stir to dissolve. Cover and simmer for about 20 minutes. Occasionally, i-check at haluin para hindi manikit. Pag medyo nag-soften at nag-expand na ang rice, remove the chicken bones. Add the vegetables. Simmer for a minute or two, then add the flake cooked chicken. Timplahan with soy sauce, dashi powder, pepper, and salt. Stir to distribute and continue to simmer until the congee is thick and the vegetables are very tender. Huwag mag-alala kung mukhang kulang ang liquid. Magsasabaw ng bahagya ang mga vegetables as they cook. Ladle the chicken congee into a serving bowl, drizzle with sesame oil, and garnish with green onions. This chicken and rice soup is the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a cold day or when you're feeling under the weather. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. Enjoy!